This old oak hutch was $80 on Marketplace, so we snatched it up to make it pretty again and sell it for a profit. First, I removed the glass and cabinet doors, but I labeled all of the pieces well so I could easily put them back in place when the paint is done. Doors never go back on correctly. Then I prepped the cabinet for paint. I cleaned it with crud cutter and scraped off some lingering tape residue to make it squeaky clean. Then I got stuck picking a paint color. I have quite a bit of paint on hand and I'm trying to use it all up, so I grabbed some of the colors and started mixing them together. Which one of these colors would you have chosen? While we tried to decide on the paint color to use, my husband scuff sanded the entire hutch to help the paint stick to it. Since this cabinet is oak with deep wood grain, I opted to roll the primer onto the cabinet to push it into the wood grain and to help prevent orange stains from coming through the paint. Watch our full video for the drama behind tinting the primer at this point. It all worked out in the end, but I could have saved myself a lot of time by not tinting it. The next day we sanded the primer to make it smooth and then painted it with 1/3 part Klein blue, 1/3 China blue, and 1/3 driftwood. Once the outside was painted, I loved the look of the lighter paint color on the inside of the hutch, so I grabbed some light beigey gray paint to paint inside, and I love the contrast it created. The next day, I put the hutch together because I had to get photos for a deadline. Thankfully, the doors went back on properly, thanks in part to all of my labeling. Don't worry though, I went back and sprayed a few coats of top coat on the hutch afterward, so this paint will be as durable as possible. Here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. The color is a little bit brighter than I expected, but I love it. I think it will be a fun pop of color without being too much in your face for whoever ends up with it. What do you think of the light interior against the blue exterior? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you liked this video. It helps push our videos out to more people who might enjoy it as well. So thank you so much. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.